Google Chrome is a data guzzler. Let me just tell you the truth here. Najua most of us tunapenda sana Google Chrome. Tumezoea Google Chrome. We have been using Google Chrome for as long as we can remember. You can continue using Google, but kuna some changes you need to make in your browser. And I'm going to show you one by one. Let's do it. Let's open Google Chrome. So what you're going to do, basically, we're going to install add-ons ama vitu zinaitwa extensions. So basically extensions ni ka pieces of software tutakuwa tunaweka kwa browser yetu zenye zitakuwa zina add more functionality yenye tayari iko pale kwa Google Chrome. So just come kwa hizi .3 hapa and then kuja hapa kwa extensions and then visit the Chrome web store. So hapa sasa tutakuwa tuna search for these extensions and the first one inaitwa Privacy Badger. This is it. Privacy Badger itakuwa ina block trackers hizi zenye zinakufuata all throughout the internet. Itakuwa zinaziblock. So just come and then add to Chrome and then add extension. Okay, Privacy Badger has been added to Chrome. Now let's go and search for another one. It's called uBlock Origin. You can choose the light version and then add this to Chrome. So hii kenye itakuwa inafanya itakuwa ina block advertisements. So tunajuanga vile ads vile ziusinya wakati una watch video, maybe something like that. Okay, uBlock has been added to Chrome. Ukiona hizo extension mbili, trust me, you'll be browsing the internet much safer and with less stress. Let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. Thank you and I'll see you guys in the next one.